Hello, myself Dr. K. S. Holkar from Department of Electronics and Telecommunication, KK Wag Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nasik. Today I am going to speak on the EEG measurement using 10-20 electrode placement. This 10-20 electrode placement is an internationally recognized method that allows the EEG electrode placement to be standardized. The system is based on the relationship between the location of an electrode and the underlying area of cerebral cortex. In this measurement, this 10-20 electrode, it means it is a number 10 and number 20 that refer to the fact that the distances between the adjacent electrodes are either 10% or 20% of the total front back or right left distance of the skull. So it means this 10 stands for 10% of the distance and 20 stands for if the distance is 20% between the electrodes which are placed. This type of electrode placements ensures the inter-electrode spacing is equal. The electrode placement is proportional to skull size and shape. Also, it covers all brain regions. Those regions are frontal, denoted with letter F, parietal, denoted with letter P, temporal with letter T, and occipital with letter O. Since these electrodes are placed to both sides of the skull, right and left electrodes are identified with the number system. To the left side, the odd numbers are given. To the right side, the number given is even. And those electrodes which are placed at the center or midline are denoted with letter Z. So let's see that how this is placed. So here, since it is just now said that this is the center line, this is the ear, left ear, right ear, can say, and on the center line, this is denoted with letter Z. This is the midline. And now these are divided into again two more sections, that is frontal part and parietal part. So this is F. So all these frontal with the left sides are denoted with FP1, F3, F7, etc. So these numbers are odd for left side. So this is left side and this is the frontal side. Similarly, to the right side of the front, this is denoted with even numbers 2, 4, etc. And it is also shown that the distance between these electrodes which are placed is 10%, 10%, and so total is 20%. Likewise here, everywhere it is shown. And this is the back side, and this is occipital. This is denoted with letter O. So this is occipital at the left side, at the center denoted with letter Z. To the right side, it is denoted with even number and likewise. So this is a parietal which is denoted with letter P, parietal to the left side, center, right side, etc. And T stands for temporal. All these are temporal. So here this is shown. And when these are placed on the skull, it looks like as shown in this diagram. And all these are electrodes which are this kind of electrodes which are placed in the or used in the 10-20 electrode placement. So this is the side view of the electrodes when placed, and this is again a top view. It shows that this is the nascent side, this is the NN side. It shows that the placement is 10%, 20%, 20%, 20%, and likewise on all. Just now we saw that these different letters are assigned with their numbers to identify which side the electrode is placed. And from the side view, this is periodical point where the electrode is placed. This is the front side again, and this is the vertex which is made, and this is what the placement. This is again Indian side, nascent side, and this way the electrodes are placed. So this is figure A, this is figure B, this is the side view, this is the front view, top view. Now a montage. What is montage? When different sets of electrode arrangements on the scalp by 10-20 system is known as a montage. So different ways this arrangement can be performed, that is placing of the electrodes. 21 electrodes are attached to give 8 or 16 channels recording. So we'll see that what is the relation between this 21 and what exactly this 8 or 16 channels recording. The EEG can be monitored with either a bipolar montage or a referential one, and the meaning of this will be very clear now. In bipolar, 2 electrodes per one channel. There is a reference electrode for each channel. That means a active electrode or the main electrode and the reference electrode, and hence this is called the bipolar. So for every measurement there are 2 electrodes for every channel, I would say. And in the referential montage, a common reference electrode for all the channels, and that's why the number of electrodes in this bipolar is more than the referential montage. For the measurement of or placement of 10-20 electrodes for measuring the electroencephalogram, there are certain requirements which must be fulfilled. The aim behind this is the signal which we pick up, or signal which we receive, must be a original signal, no change in the value of the original signal. So certain preparation needs to be done for this. These are the accessories or the requirements which are useful for making the EEG measurements, so that the electrode can be placed properly and with the correct measurements as per the 10-20 percentile. These requirements are measuring tape as shown here. It is not new for someone of us, but since this is the understanding of the EEG, let's know that what are the requirements and what is the reason for having these tools to be used. This is the wax pencil, so for marking, tapes and pencils are used to mark it. This is the measurement cheat sheet where the information can be already written and with which we can follow this. This is alcohol wipes, scarify skin, stick blunt needle, abrasive paste here which are shown, conductive paste gel, a collodion glue, that is a syrupy solution which may consist of a alcohol for cleaning purpose, Hypafix razors for removal of the hair if any. And this is what cleaning, for cleaning purpose, these are the razors shown. And by the way, this is what's shown here, that the measurement is 30, 31, 32, etc., and the placement is 10%. When it is 10%, this is 3, 3.1, and so on. If it is 20%, then it could be 6, 6.2, and etc. So this is what about the requirements, for the basic requirements necessary for placing the electrodes 10-20 fashion for electroencephalogram. It needs to have a good electrical contact, that is less than 5 kilo ohm. If the electrodes are not placed properly, then it leads to ECG artifact, movement artifact, high impedance, electrode popping, that is abrupt changes in the impedance when it happens due to the improper placement of the electrodes. There is a possibility of movement artifact, sway, and all these leads to incorrect signal that we receive at the EEG. Thank you.